Hello everyone, my name is Fatuma Zuberi. I'm here to give you some knowledge about cost and their types, importance, and the disadvantage of not knowing cost. I'm starting with the meaning of cost. Cost is the amount of money spent to produce or to provide their goods or services. For example, paper, ink, and employees' working time. Types of cost. There are five types of cost known as fixed cost, variable cost, semi-variable cost, direct cost, and indirect cost. Fixed cost, this is a type of cost which do not change at the level of production. For example, rent. Second, it is variable cost. Variable cost, this is a type of cost which change at the level of production. For example, raw materials. Third, semi-variable cost. When you say semi-variable cost, this is a type of cost which contain both fixed and variable cost. For example, telephone bills. Fourth, it is direct cost. Direct cost, these are type of cost that can be directly identified with a product, for example, raw materials and direct labors. The last one is indirect cost. Indirect cost, this is a type of cost, this is the amount of type of cost which cannot be directly identified with the product or services. For example, factory rent and insurance. This is the importance of cost. Cost, it help to planning, it help to preparing budget, it help to control expenses to avoid losses in a business. The last one, it helps to make good decision making in your office or in a business. Last one is disadvantage of not known cost. First, it is poor planning. Second, waste of resources. And the third, wrong decision making. Fourth is cannot set correct price. When you don't know cost, you cannot set a correct price in a business or office. So every office must understand and manage its cost to work efficient and save money in your office. Thank you for listening.